Hey guys, welcome to Japanese home cooking and culture channel. Today I'm going to show you chestnut rice. Chestnut rice is rice flavored with salt that contains chestnuts. Chestnut rice is often eaten in Japan in autumn. Chestnut rice is called kuri gohan in Japan. Okay, let's get started. First, grind 2 cups of rice. Peel off the astringent skin of chestnuts. Soak the chestnut in the water. Put chestnut in rice, season with salt and cook. I finished cooking. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question and requests, please let me know in the comments. See you next video.